Hey everybody and welcome back to the channel. Ever wished you could watch your favorite YouTube videos offline, on a plane, or somewhere with spotty internet? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest and safest way to download YouTube videos in 2026. Forget confusing software or sketchy websites. I've got a super simple, step-by-step method that works like a charm. First, make sure you have YouTube Premium. It's the official and most reliable way. Just open the YouTube app, find the video you want, and look for the download button right below the player. Tap it, choose your desired quality, and boom. The video starts downloading directly to your device. You can find all your downloaded videos in the Library tab under Downloads. It's that easy. This is perfect for road trips, commutes, or just saving data. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.